Should I start an art business? This video touches on self-confidence, how I got started, and realistic expectations as an artist. First of all, thank you so much for even considering this avenue. Your inner child is overjoyed and ready to be heard. You don't have to be an amazing artist to start. Everyone starts somewhere, and the sooner you start, the sooner you'll be able to have the opportunity to grow into the best artist you can be. As long as you're still breathing, there's still time to start. A dream of mine I had as a kid was to one day be an art teacher, but learning that I would have to go to college for several years steered me away. Extra school just wasn't for me. I started my own business, and now I get to teach fun classes anyway. When I first started my art career, I started by taking it on part-time for a few months before taking the leap into full-time. For me, deciding whether or not you can start an art business is mostly dependent upon your current financial situation and if you love doing it. If at all possible, you should try to start your business as an evening pursuit or when you have time to practice. Then you can work your way to pursuing your art career part-time and eventually to full-time. Remember, you don't have to be an amazing artist to be worthy of this career. If you're waiting for the perfect time to start, it's right now. There's no perfect time. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Something important to know, you have to be able to enjoy the tasks associated with an art business or it's just not for you. Making art often, first of all, making art prints and merchandise, marketing yourself, engaging with others. This needs to be something you're genuinely excited for, something that keeps you awake at night, something you'd want to do every single day. You also need to have realistic expectations for yourself. When we set high or unrealistic expectations for ourselves, it's natural for us to feel like we've wasted our time. Don't set yourself up for disappointment by expecting wild success overnight or even success at a rapid rate. Celebrate all your small milestones. If you feel like you aren't growing, try to see the big picture of your business. See how far you've come from the start. Milestones need to be celebrated, even the small ones. This can help you get a fresh and healthier perspective of where you've been and where you want to go. Understand that it's not supposed to be easy. Something to remember. An artist's talent is the commitment to the pursuit of creativity. You can do hard things if you decide you can. I'm proud of you for showing up for you and for your art, and I'm excited for you to start your art journey. I hope to help you in all the ways that I can. I'll be posting more in-depth videos and more topic-specific videos here on YouTube, so please subscribe if you can. On Patreon, you can help fund my videos by becoming a patron, and you will get access to so much more than what I can offer here just on YouTube. So please check it out. You can also join for free anytime. So ask me anything. Leave a comment below with your questions, and I'll be more than happy to answer everything that I can. I wish you whimsy and wonder. Thank you so much for watching.